Welcome to our deep dive into CI/CD pipeline architecture specifically tailored for large organizations. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, delivering software rapidly and reliably is no longer a luxury but a necessity. For large enterprises with complex systems, diverse teams, and stringent compliance requirements, establishing an effective CI/CD strategy presents unique challenges and opportunities. This session will explore the foundational principles, architectural components, and best practices that enable large organizations to achieve continuous integration and continuous delivery at scale, fostering innovation and maintaining a competitive edge. Navigating complex regulatory compliance frameworks and coordinating efforts across numerous, often geographically dispersed development teams. Furthermore, security concerns are amplified, requiring robust DevSecOps practices. The sheer scale of operations also demands highly scalable and resilient pipeline infrastructure, capable of handling hundreds or even thousands of deployments daily. Addressing these challenges requires a strategic, holistic CI/CD strategy are several core principles. Automation is paramount, reducing manual errors and accelerating processes across the entire lifecycle. Standardization ensures consistency and reusability of pipeline components and practices across different projects and teams. Modularity allows for flexible pipeline construction, enabling teams to select and combine stages relevant to their specific needs. Security must be shifted left, integrating checks early and throughout the pipeline. Finally, a strong feedback loop is essential, providing immediate insights for continuous improvement. A robust CI/CD pipeline in a large organization typically comprises several key components. Central to this is a version control system like Git, serving as the single source of truth for all code. Build servers compile code, run unit tests, and create artifacts. Artifact repositories securely store these build outputs, ensuring traceability and versioning. Orchestration tools manage and automate the entire pipeline flow, from code commit to deployment. Finally, test environments provide isolated spaces for various levels of automated testing before code reaches production. Beyond basic unit tests, pipelines integrate a hierarchy of automated tests, integration tests to verify component interactions, end-to-end tests simulating user flows, performance tests to ensure scalability, and security tests, SAST, DAST, as part of DevSecOps. Test data management is critical, providing realistic and consistent data across environments. Parallelization of tests across distributed test runners significantly reduces execution time, enabling faster feedback cycles crucial for high-volume development. Large organizations cannot afford downtime, making advanced deployment strategies essential. Blue/green deployments involve running two identical production environments, switching traffic seamlessly between them for zero downtime updates. Canary deployments introduce new versions to a small subset of users before a full rollout, minimizing risk. Feature toggles allow developers to turn features on or off without redeploying code, enabling dark launches and A/B testing. Immutable infrastructure ensures consistency by building new environments for each deployment rather than modifying existing ones, drastically reducing configuration drift. Security is not an afterthought. It's an integral part of modern CI/CD. DevSecOps embeds security practices throughout the entire development lifecycle, shifting left to identify vulnerabilities early. This involves automated security scanning tools, SAST, DAST, integrated into the build and test stages. Dependency scanning checks for known vulnerabilities in third-party libraries. Compliance as code ensures that security and regulatory policies are enforced automatically. By treating security as a shared responsibility, organizations drastically reduce their attack surface and respond proactively to threats, ultimately building more secure applications from the ground up. The CI/CD process doesn't end at deployment. Continuous monitoring and observability are vital for understanding application health, performance, and user experience in production. This includes collecting metrics, logs, and traces. Alerting systems notify teams of anomalies or failures immediately. Robust feedback loops channel operational insights back to development teams, informing future iterations and prioritizing bug fixes or feature enhancements. This closed-loop system ensures that deployments are not just fast, but also stable and continuously improving based on real-world usage and performance data. For large organizations, scalability and resilience are non-negotiable. This means designing pipelines that can handle a high volume of concurrent builds and deployments. Distributed build agents and cloud-native services offer elastic scaling. Infrastructure as code (IAC) is critical for provisioning and managing environments reproducibly and at scale, often utilizing tools like Terraform or Ansible. Containerization technologies like Docker and orchestration platforms like Kubernetes provide consistent environments from development to production, building and enable efficient resource utilization. Pipeline for a large organization or hybrid cloud strategies undertaking that requires careful planning and continuous refinement. Enterprise-level operations. By embracing automation, standardization, and a strong DevSecOps culture, enterprises can overcome inherent complexities to achieve rapid, reliable, and secure software delivery. Remember to start small, iterate frequently, and foster a culture of collaboration and continuous learning. The journey towards mature enterprise CI/CD is ongoing, but the benefits in terms of speed, quality, and business agility are immense, making it a critical investment for any forward-thinking organization.